Contingency Fund of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2023. If you remember, we had brought in an ordinance for that. So now that the House is in session and we have to bring this in the House, we have brought this now in the form of a bill. Similarly, the second agenda was to pass the repeal of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. As you are aware, we had passed an ordinance to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, and today, as the session is on, we are going to put it in the form of a bill, and the Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Act will be repealed. So these were the two decisions that were taken today in the cabinet. Yeah, so what ordinance is basically is that when session is not on, to enforce a particular act, an ordinance is passed by the cabinet, which then has to be ratified in terms of a bill. It's to be brought in terms of a bill and ratified by the House and passed, and that's what's happening now. So the ordinance was cleared earlier, but now that the session is on, this is the correct platform now to regularize the repealing of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming.